Whenever we need to print a worksheet, it is better to get the print preview first. We can get the print preview from the Quick Access toolbar here, print preview and print, or we can use a shortcut Ctrl plus F2, or we can use the file and print command here, file and print. You can see the preview here with other settings and controls. Here it says it's 2 pages. Let's skip to return and do some changes here. Return, and if we change here the orientation to portraits and see the preview again, let's go to file and print. Now the page number becomes 60. It's reduced to 60. I will work on setting up the page for good printing the next lectures, but now let's work the others. We can use also the print title features here, so that the title will appear on each page. Select rows to repeat at the top. Select the row, we can select this row and click OK. Now it will appear on every page. We can make some design in the layout from the page layout also. Click this and we can go in the design tab. Here we can change our title. Let's call it health information, and here we can enter the page numbers. Page, you can see the page 1. Maybe we can call it page and blank space, and we can enter here the date and also the time. So now it becomes great. Let's see our modification in the print preview. Let's go to print preview, file and print. Okay, now we can see the modification. There is more print features and we'll explore in the next lectures.